안녕하세요. So here is my new motorcycle. So it is Honda PCX 160. It is higher CC than Aerox. So come on. So there's a small storage compartment here. I push it and it will open. Then I put my keys here, and also there's a charging port. Where is it? Here. There's a charging port here.
Show your keyless.
Here's
Key.
my key.
It's keyless.
Keyless. So there's a charging port here. It is so dark. That's why you can see it. So I put it back my keys because it's keyless. There's no need to put your keys. So I push it back again. Then next is I'll push the button here.
Ngit-ngit lang.
So turn right once. Okay. There's a button here, and it will open the fuel for the gas. So I'll close it again. Then next is okay. There's a button, another button for the seat. Okay. It's very huge. Paper.
Documents.
Documents and
Tools.
tools for the and
Naman. Sige, basta kay tools.
then okay. There's also a heater. I'll turn it off. 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 Then I'll click. Okay. Click. Untype it. So it's hard to steal it because it will make a sound.
Anti-theft.
Yes. That is the right. It looks like a car. It's hard to steal. So good.
It will alarm.
Yes, it will alarm if you steal it. So it's full tank. Yay! So I'll start. Yay! Turn it. Turn. All of it. Also very cool. And I can balance. And footrest. It's cool. It's like wings. It's nice. Also company for my new motorcycle. Bye-bye!